Attach 8 cords to the dowel with the lark's head knot. Take the ends behind the dowel, over the top, and then down through the loop. With the first 4 cords, do a square knot. Take the left cord over the 2 middle cords, the right cord over that cord, around the back and through the opening. To finish the square knot, take the right cord over the 2 middle cords, the left cord over that cord, around the back and through the opening. Repeat that knot 4 more times across the top. Now skip the first 2 cords on the left and do a square knot with the next 4 cords. Do 2 more square knots. We're going to make double half hitch knots around this really thin dowel. Take the cord on the left, wrap it up and over the dowel, then take the end behind and through that opening, and then pull it snug around the little dowel. Take the same cord again, go over the dowel, take it behind and up through that opening. Now you want to pull that so it's snug in line with the bottom of the square knots. Take the next cord and do the same thing. I like to squeeze them together to keep them tight, and go with the next cord and do the same thing. Do that all the way across. I'll show you later how to deal with these ends. Next, starting with the 4 left cords, do 4 square knots across. Take another thin dowel and do double half hitches all the way across it. Do another row of square knots. Another row of double half hitch knots. Do another row of square knots. Skip 2 cords and do 3 square knots. Start at the left again and do 4 square knots across. Do another row of double half hitch knots. I'm now going to cut the fringe. I'm going to have the length about 30 centimeters, but I want to vary the length of each piece. I then unravel the ends a little bit, and I do this with a comb. This gives it more of a shaggy look. Now I flip my wall hanging over, and with some fabric glue, you could also just use regular white glue. I'm going to glue these little ends to the dowel to hold them in place. Just dabbing it a little bit on each spot. And now I'm just going to wait for that to dry. I'm going in with some pliers. You could probably use scissors as well because these dowels are really thin. And then just trim them close to the cord. Try not to cut any of the cord like I just did there. And I just did it again. Try not to do that. Here's how it looks when it's done.